Thank you for visiting us at House Select Realty. My name is Henry Vasquez, and I am the designated managing broker for this office. I've been practicing real estate since 2007. That's right, that's the same year that the Great Recession started. So I've seen quite a bit through my career. My daughter Lizbeth has been with us for the last 8 years. Our service is about you, not about us. Together we're here to serve your needs, whether you're buying or selling. We believe in the adage, treat others the way you would treat yourself. We are here to assist you with probably the biggest investment in your life. Here's a little tour of our website. On our site, you'll be able to search for homes that are available, set up an automated search, and get an idea of what your home might be worth. The Home Value Option is an incredible tool. All you have to do is put in your address, and instantly you'll get a detailed report about what your home is worth. This is made specifically for you. Feel free to go through our site. If you have any questions that you'd like answered immediately, just reach out to us via the contact form, or you can just send me a text directly at 630-606-3344. Lizbeth's number is 630-709-1061. I really appreciate you visiting us and enjoy the site.